Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the numerical based on the Newton's second law. This is F is equal to ma. Now in this question they have given a stone of 1 kg. Stone of 1 kg means mass 1 kg they have given to us. The very first thing in the numerical. Thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second. A stone is moving with the velocity of, or throwing with the velocity of 20 meter per second, means 20 meter per second is the initial velocity u. 20 meter per second. Two things we got here. M is equal to 1 kg and u, initial velocity 20 meter per second. Across the frozen surface of a lake and comes to rest. Now already a stone was moving or throwing with a velocity. It was already thrown and later on it came in the rest, means final velocity v became 0. Now we are having value of m, value of u as well as value of v. Now one more thing, comes to rest after traveling a distance of 50 meter. Distance means s, 50 meter distance already given to us. Now we are having the value of m, u, v and s. All four values we are having. They are asking what is the force, means we have to find the value of force, and they are asking force of friction between the stone and ice. So main thing which we have to find, this is force. For force we need F is equal to ma. The mass already given 1 kg, but acceleration we are not having. So firstly we should find the value of a. With the help of acceleration we will be able to find F. Now for this we mention we are having initial velocity u, we are having final velocity 0, we are having distance. Now v, u, s, three things we are having. But if we will go for the second equation of motion, we need t also. But t we are not having. Moreover, the most important thing in this equation, if we will not go for this equation, then half a t square. So t also required, that is why we will not go for this equation. Instead of this we will go for the third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. With the help of this equation we will just find the value. V square 0, we will place the value 0. U 20, we will get 20 square, and 2as, the value of 2, a we have to find, and s already 50 given. Now after the calculating we got 0 will be 0, 20 square will be 400. When this will come opposite side it will be minus 400 is equal to 100. It will be 100a. 100 will just come opposite side of the is equal to sign. It will become a is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. When it will come in the division it will be able to cut and you will get 4. Fine. Now a is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of this minus term? The minus term, this minus term is indicating that earlier the velocity of the stone was 20 meter per second. Later on it became 0, means retardation was taking place. A stone was not accelerating. We can say the velocity of the body was not increasing, it was decreasing. That is why instead of acceleration, retardation was taking place. And already we have discussed that when acceleration is converting into minus phase, it is represented by retardation as well as represented by minus sign. We can say minus sign indicate the acceleration is acting against the motion. Now we have the value of a, we have the value of mass. We can place all the values a and m. F is equal to ma, as we are knowing the second law of motion, Newton's second law. F, the value of m is 1 and value of a is minus 4 meter per second square. After placing the value we got minus 4 Newton. Hence the force of friction between the stone and the ice is minus 4 Newton. So with such type of formulas, with the help of such formulas, easily we will be able to get the different values and we can get the solution also. Okay, thank you.